Welcome to this bright and serene living room, meticulously designed with Scandinavian minimalist elegance to feel both spacious and incredibly inviting. We've curated a light-filled sanctuary featuring clean lines, natural wood elements, and plush textures, creating a perfect blend of style and comfort. The commanding position of the sofa against a solid wall fosters a sense of security and positive energy flow, ensuring ultimate relaxation and harmony. I have virtually staged this cozy bedroom in a clean and inviting Scandinavian minimalist style. By placing the bed in the commanding position against the solid back wall and keeping pathways clear, we maximize the flow of positive chi and create a serene, uncluttered retreat. The blend of warm light oak, textured textiles, and soft organic shapes makes this light-filled room feel both modern and incredibly cozy. To promote harmony and balanced energy, water element, a pair of subtle, abstract mountainscape prints is positioned above the bed. The inclusion of a healthy live plant, wood element, near the window further supports vitality and adds to the tranquil, balanced atmosphere.